How to fix the issue with Walmart application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue of Walmart application not working. So without any delay, let's get into it. So for that, firstly navigate to the setting of your mobile device and go to all apps section. Then there you need to search for Walmart. Once you find the Walmart application, simply click on it. After that, you will be navigating to the setting of Walmart application. There, you will see the option of Force Start. Simply click on it. After that, open Walmart application and go to the side menu. Then scroll below to search for Sign Out. After that, log in back to your account. Now, the last method to fix the issue with Walmart application is to simply update it. And that's all. Just by following these easy steps, you will be able to fix the issue with not working of Walmart application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.